Hello everyone, mabuhay, maayong gabi sa tanan akong followers. Guys, ako si Alexi, taga Davao City. Karon nga kahaponon or actually kagabion na guys kay 6:14 in the evening na. Supposedly na ako'y dinner date sa isa nako ka higala, pero due to some hectic schedules namo parehoming busy due to some circumstances, so dili maiwasan nga ma-postpone. So but that's okay, okay lang na siya, wala problema. We need to set some other schedules in some other time. That's okay, wala problema. Pero so karon I will be taking my dinner na ako na lang. Daghang salamat sa tanan akong followers, supporters ug viewers. God bless everyone and happy weekends.